What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature that's been just added to the Premiere Pro 2023 edition. The feature is the strokes, inner strokes and outer strokes on your texts. So let's give it a go. So I've taken a composition, I've added a video footage to it, and what I'm going to do is select the text option here, and then I'm going to write some text here. Okay, and I'm going to change the color just so that it's a bit more visible. Oops. There you go. So this is our text. Now what Premiere Pro has added is in your essential graphics panel, if you scroll down, you will see in the appearance, you have the strokes. And if you click on it, on the right hand side, this option will also become a name, which is if you click on it, it will be outer, inner or center, which means outer stroke, inner stroke or center stroke. So first of all, I'm going to go with the outer stroke, and you can also choose the size of your stroke here as well. I think by default it's 4. So I'll just go with 4. There you go. If I take it out, your original text will look like this. If I add it, it will be like this. And I can also choose my inner stroke. So it will be like this. Or you disable it, and that's what happens. Or you can make it center as well. What you can also do is, I'm just going to keep it on center for now, and I'm also going to change the color of the stroke as well. And you have different options. Once you come in here, you can either have a solid stroke, linear gradient or radial gradient. For now, I'm just going to go with the solid, and I'll choose some color. Let's go with some sort of a teal. And if you look here, that's what your text looks like. Okay, and also your stroke. What I'm also going to do is to just change this and put it to inner stroke. Okay, and change that to outer stroke, and there you go. Okay, if I change the size of the stroke to, let's say, 10, it will be slightly different. There you go. So very nice. Okay, you can also go in here and select a different type of color as well. So I'm going to choose radial, and I'm going to leave it at that, and let's see what happens. There you go. Okay, so very nice. You can do a lot of things with it. You can make your text really stand out with this feature. So I hope you liked the video. It was a quick tutorial, but I just wanted to show you this new feature in 2023 Premiere Pro. If you found the video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, look after yourself. Bye.